This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the workspace safe. Park level, set the brake, remove the key, and disconnect the negative battery. This prevents accidental starts. Once done, raise the deck to its highest position and secure it with a strap or blocks so it won't drop. Now remove the deck belt covers and peel back mower components just enough to expose the drive belt. Take a clear photo of the belt routing so you can reinstall it the same way. Next, locate the idler or tensioner assembly. You need to understand its spring or bolt orientation before altering anything so it goes back correctly. Then use the correct wrench or socket and carefully relieve tension by pulling the idler arm toward the engine to free the belt. Once slack, slip the belt off the pulleys starting with the smallest pulley. Inspect every pulley, shaft, and the idler for wear, bent flanges, or trapped debris that would shorten the life of a new belt. Now route the new belt exactly as in your reference photo, making sure every V-groove seats fully in each pulley. This prevents slippage and premature wear. Once routed, reapply tension by returning the idler to its working position and tighten or secure springs and bolts to the factory torque. Reinstall belt covers. Lower the deck, reconnect the battery, and run a brief idle test, then engage the blades while watching belt behavior. If the belt slips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.